got the call today, worst case scenario. Now we're stuck in our room. We lost it all today, and we don't know where to go, or what we should even try to do. So I'm asking for a friend, maybe I'm asking for myself. I'm asking cause I could use a little help. What do we do with bad news? 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 Of grief is this, watching the hours pass while humming a catchy little tune. Why are we feeling this, watching the hourglass running out a little bit too soon? So I'm asking for a friend, or maybe I'm asking for myself. Right now I could use a little help. What do we do with bad